Okay, let's start now. So we are doing reasoning. Have we started the topic clocks in reasoning? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what was the last question?
So yesterday we have done reasoning, and in maths we have done 15th A whole exercise.
No, I'm
Today we
asking
will
what was the last question in reasoning?
Sir, in reasoning.
Yes.
Sir, you have done till important points, and the last one was
What was the last question? First I made you write down some important things. किसी को नहीं पता यहाँ पे बच्चे कुछ
And which reasoning last question?
Yes.
Sir, we have done points.
So we have done point. The last point was 1 hour equal to 360 degree upon 12. Rotation of our hand equal to 30 degree.
Sorry. What was the question once again?
Sir, last point was 1 minute
1
equals
hour
to
is equal to
150 rotation of our hand equals to 0.5 degree rotation. So this was the last point.
I have not made you write down any questions. Questions
no,
नहीं
sir.
कराए?
You have done till important points. 9 important
Yes, sir.
points you have told us to write them.
Okay. Okay. So today you will note down some questions.
Yes, sir.
First question, please note down. What is? Okay, tell me. What is the? Note down the question in your copies, all of you. In your reasoning copies. What is the? What is the angle covered? What is the angle covered by the minute hand? What is the angle covered by the minute hand?
Sir, please repeat the question.
What is the angle covered by the minute hand? What is the angle covered by the minute hand in 20 minutes? Angle covered by the minute hand in 20 minutes. Start doing it. Can you all do it?
No, sir.
You cannot do it?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
What is the angle covered by minute hand in 1 minute? Yesterday I made you write down this. In the 7th point, you all can see. What is the
So
angle?
120 degree.
That 120 degree.
20 minutes. ये निकालना है आपको. Angle covered by the minute hand in 20 minutes. So first of all, in 1 minute, you can see in the 7th point, it is written that in 1 minute, the angle covered by the minute hand is 6 degrees.
6 degree.
लिखा है देखिए.
Yes, sir.
One minute is equal to 6 degree rotation of minute hand. लिखा हुआ है. This is written in the 7th point. 1 minute में 6 degree rotation है. Now what is the rotation in 20 minutes?
20 into 60.
6 into
6.
20.
120 degrees there.
120 degree rotation.
120.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Write down.
So please wait.
Write down the next question.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Ready.
What is the angle covered by what is the angle covered by our hand? What is the angle covered by our hand in 3 hours? What is the angle covered by our hand in 3 hours?
So 90.
Sir, 90.
Okay, we will just check the
Sir, I
answer.
can explain it also.
Yes, Om, explain the question.
Sir, in the 8th point, we can see that 12 hours is equal to 360 degree upon 12 of the root. So, sir, first we will divide 12 into 360, then it will come 90 degree, and then we will multiply 12 divided by 360 is equal to 30 degree, and then we will divide 30 into 3 as it is written 3 hours, so it will come 90 degree.
Okay. So,
Sir, I have done the question.
first of all, you can see the 9th point, all of you. In the 9th point, it is written that 1 hour, in 1 hour, what is the angle covered by the hour hand? What is the angle covered by the hour hand in 1 hour? What is this? In point number 9, tell me the angle covered by the hour
Sir,
hand.
30 degree.
It is
30 degrees, sir.
30 degree.
the angle covered by our hand in 1 hour is 30 degrees. This is the angle covered. So what will be the angle covered in 3 hours? Simple question. Unitary method you have to use. In 3 hours, the angle covered will be 90 degrees. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. How we have done this? 30 multiplied by 3. 30 multiplied by 3, 90. Okay.
Yes, sir. I have also done like this.
Okay, next one. Next one. What is the note down the next question? What is the question number 3? What is the angle covered by the hour hand What is the angle covered by the hour hand? This is the angle covered by the hour hand in 40 minutes. 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Right.
Sir, 20 degree.
Who has given the answer? Who has given the answer?
The
Sir,
Sahil.
me.
Me को नाम बताओगे?
Mayank Yadav.
Mayank Yadav. Very good. Correct answer.
Thanks, sir.
Sir, what is the syllabus of reasoning?
Only 2 topics are there. The first topic is clocks and the second topic is coding and decoding.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now the next one.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain the question number 3?
Yes, that is what I am doing. You look at the 10th point, everyone. What is the 10th point? The 10th point says that the angle covered by the hour hand in 1 minute. Angle covered by the hour hand in 1 minute is 0.5 degrees. 0.5 degree बोल दें या फिर 1/2 degrees बोल दें, बात एक ही है. The angle covered by the hour hand in 1 minute. It is written in the 10th point. You can see the 10th point, all of you. The angle covered by the hour hand in 1 minute is 0.5 degrees. Okay. So what will be the angle covered by the hour hand in 40 minutes? In 40 minutes, 1/2 multiplied by 40. Unitary method, simple unitary method we are using. Multiply करेंगे. Either you multiply 0.5. Either you multiply 0.5 by 40 or you multiply 1/2 by 40. Answer is 20 degrees. Clear? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So you have to
Yes, sir.
use your brain and just think that which point we should use here. Is it the 7th point or the 9th point or the 10th point? Which point we should use in the questions? That you have to think. Okay. Shall we start the next one?
Yes, sir.
Next question, write down.
Sir, 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, done.
Yeah. The next question is. What is the angle covered by the minute hand what is the angle covered by the minute hand from what is the angle covered by the minute hand from by the minute hand from 4:45 p.m. from 4:45 p.m. from 4:45 p.m. घड़ी में टाइम होता है कभी to from 4:45 p.m. to 5:20 p.m. बताइए from 4:45 p.m. to 5:20 p.m. मिनट हैंड ने कितना एंगल कवर किया होगा कितने टाइम में
1 घंटा 5 मिनट।
अच्छा ये 1 घंटा 5 मिनट हो गए
सर 65 मिनट हो गए ना सर।
ये 65 मिनट से
15 नहीं सर 35 मिनट्स।
these are 35 minutes now find out the angle
सर 210 मिनट
210 degrees या minutes
सर एंगल
yeah 210 degrees
Sir, can I tell the answer?
yes tell the answer
Sir, it is coming 105 degree.
no
60 minutes rotation.
सर आंसर क्या 210 डिग्री है
10 degree. Sir, 210 degree.
So first of all, the difference between the two times. What is the difference between the two times? This is 35 minutes.
35 minutes.
Do you all know this, how to find it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So 35 minutes time, in 35 minutes, what will be the angle covered by the minute hand? In 1 minute, the minute hand covers 6 degree
6
angle.
degree.
So in 35 minutes, it will cover
6 into
6 multiplied by 35. That means 210.
210.
degree.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Very good. Ready for the next one?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
just a minute.
Sir, just a minute. सर अगला बार तो कोडिंग वाला दे दीजिएगा.
Wait. We will finish the topic.
Okay.
Topic first.
Okay, sir.
Sir, done.
You ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Question 5. Note down the question. What is the angle covered by the hour hand What is the angle covered by the hour hand from 4:45 p.m. to 5:20 p.m. Same time. From 4:45 p.m. to 5:20 p.m. Time same है. What is the angle covered by the hour hand from 4:45 p.m. to 5:20 p.m.
Sir, I got it.
So 17.5 degrees.
Sorry?
Sir, 17.5 degrees. 0.5 degrees.
17.5 degrees.
Sir, is it right or not?
Correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Very good. So, who has done the question?
Sir, done the question.
Sir, you.
Tell me your names who has got the answer 17.5 degrees.
Sir, Vaibhav.
Very good. Vaibhav has got the answer. And who else has got the answer?
Ayush.
Ayush has got the answer. Om Saraswat, have you got the answer?
No, sir.
No.
So my answer is coming 7 degree.
The answer is 17.5.
Sir, just we have to divide 2 and 35.
Yeah.
So we will get the answer.
Yes. So the difference between the time, again the difference is what?
35
35.
minutes.
35 minutes. So first of all, you all must know that in 1 minute, the angle covered by the hour hand. Now you will look at the hour hand. What is the angle covered by the hour hand in 1 minute? It is 1/2 degrees. याद है आपको? एंगल कवर्ड बाय
Yes,
द
sir.
आवर हैंड इन 1 मिनट इज 1/2 डिग्री या फिर 0.5 डिग्री. Now in 35 minutes, what will be the angle covered? In 35 minutes, the angle covered will be 1/2 multiplied by 35. So you get 17.5 degrees. 17.5 degrees is the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Very simple question.
Yes, sir.
The next one.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute.
Wait.
So done. Question 6.
Sir, sixth question.
Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down the question. What is the angle covered by? Angle covered by the minute hand. Minute hand. Okay. What is the angle covered by the minute hand from angle covered by the minute hand from 2:20 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. From 2:20 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Angle covered by the minute hand. This is question number 6. Angle covered by the minute hand from 2:20
Sir, 2 hours 10 minutes.
to 4:30 p.m. ये कितना
Sir,
time
sir, different. Sir, 2 hours 10 minutes.
Yes. Now find the angle.
So 780 degrees. So 780 degrees.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, 780 degree.
780 degrees.
Sir,
Let's
sir, it's correct.
Okay, we will just
Okay, sir.
780.
780 is correct. So what is the difference of the time? It is 2 hours and
10 minutes.
2 hours.
And
10
sir, we will do. So
you
now we will
minutes,
do.
If you convert in minutes, you get 130 minutes.
Yes, sir.
If you convert 2 hours 10 minutes in minutes, you will get 130 minutes. Do you know how to convert this?
Yes, sir.
You all know this? So this is
Yes,
one.
sir.
If इसमें कोई doubt है, you can ask. If you have any doubt in this, कि मैंने ये कैसे किया, you can ask.
अरे सर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर. सर 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. बस सर. 60 plus 60 plus 10 sir. 130.
Very good. So 1 minute, the angle covered by the minute hand is 6 degrees. 130 minutes, The angle covered by the minute hand is equal to 6 multiplied by 130. So you will get
130, sir.
780 minutes, 780 degrees.
Yes, sir.
780 degrees. Yeah. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Next, ready for the next one?
Sir, please wait.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please wait.
Okay.
Sir, please start next question.
Ready? Next one.
Yes,
What
sir.
is what is the angle covered by the hour hand? Keep your mics off, everyone. What is the angle covered by the hour hand? Question number 7 की बात कर रहे हैं. What is the angle covered by the hour hand? Hour hand, okay, it is not the minute hand now. It is the hour hand. What is the angle covered by the hour hand? From 2:20 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Same time.
2:20.
What is the angle covered by the hour hand? From 2:20 minutes to 4:30 minutes. Question number 7.
Hmm. 2 hours 10 minutes का बाद में
मशीन कहाँ है?
So 65 degree.
How much? 65?
Degree.
Correct answer. 65 is the
Thank you, sir.
सर आवर्स का तो फाइंड हो गया लेकिन अब उसे मिनट्स में कैसे कर लें ये नहीं समझ आया बस.
Beta, the total time is, what is the difference between the times? It is again 2 hours 10 minutes is the difference. Now you convert this in minutes. This is 130 minutes. Do you all know this? Do you all know how to do this? Any problem with this?
Yes, sir.
You have any problem in this?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
In 1 minute, the angle covered by the hour hand. Let's talk about the hour hand now. Point number 10. Point number 10. In 1 minute, the angle covered by the hour hand is 1/2 degrees. 0.5 लिख लो या फिर 1/2 लिख लो. It is the same thing. So what will be the angle covered by the hour hand in 130 minutes? 1/2 multiplied by 130. So you get 65 degrees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any problem in this now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. Done? Everyone in the copies?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, do you know how to convert 2 hours 10 minutes in minutes? Let me tell you this also.
Sir, I know.
तो स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लेना तुम्हें, जल्दी करो दे दो।